So ito na nga guys, may official announcement na for 2024 Kim Ji-won Asia Fan Meeting Tour Be My One in Manila. Let's start sa pinakamurang tickets, which is 3,500 for balcony. Nasa second floor to guys, followed by Orchestra C worth 5,500 pesos na nasa ground floor na. Then Orchestra B 6,500. Back to second floor lodge worth 7,000 pesos. Followed by Orchestra A 7,500 na nasa ground floor na din. Followed by VIP 8,500. Then Royalty 10,500. Then ayan yung stage. Take note guys that all tickets are seated. And meron pa po mga ticketing charges. So itong mga prices po na yan is hindi pa final yan. Madadagdagan pa yan. Kailan po ang ticket selling? Meron pong pre-selling na magaganap for Union Bank credit and debit card holders on July 20 starting 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then, ang general sale naman, para na po sa lahat to, July 21, 12 noon onwards Philippine time, via TicketNet outlets nationwide, or kaya naman po is online through www.ticketnet.com.ph. And ito na nga guys, merong fun benefits. Lahat po ay makakakuha ng souvenir show card, photo card set, and high buy. Wow, oh my God! So kahit yung pinakamurang tickets yung bibilhin mo is makikita mo si Kim Ji-won ng malapitan. Dahil bago ka lumabas ng venue, yes, after ng concert, bago ka lumabas ng venue, is makakapag-hi ka, makakapag-bye ka sa kanya. Makikita mo siya ng malapitan. And meron ding signed poster. Ito naman guys is through raffle. Ayan, for Lodge, Orchestra B, Orchestra A, VIP and Royalty ticket holders. Meron ding signed Polaroid na raffle din for VIP and Royalty ticket holders. Lastly, ito, merong group photo for all royalty ticket holders. So, ayan guys, ano ba yung ticket mong bibilhin or gusto mong bilhin? Again, ang fan meeting po ni Kim Ji-won dito sa Manila is gaganapin on August 3, Saturday 6 p.m. at New Frontier Theater. So, ayan lang guys, fighting!